Wake up early, drink coffee, work hard, be ambitious, keep your priorities straight, your mind right, and your head up. Do well, live well, and dress really well. Do what you love what you do. It is time to start living. People call me arrogant. I call it self-assurance. I am who I am. You like it. Great. You don't like it. I don't care. Before you judge my life, my past, or my character, walk in my shoes. Walk the path I have traveled. Live my sorrow, my doubts, my fear, my pain, and my laughters. Remember, everyone has a story. When you have lived my life, then you can judge me. I think women have been treated like second-class people, no matter where in the world we go. You don't have to try to be anybody else. Whatever you are, however you are, it's fine. Nobody's perfect. I wouldn't call women victims. I would call them survivors. But there shouldn't be a world where women have to survive. There should be a world where women thrive. I buy my own diamonds. I don't need someone to buy them for me. When a guy comes into my life, it will not be for the diamonds. It will not be for the years. It will not be for the homes. My choice of films has never been because of a certain hero. I depend on myself, my part, and the director. I don't think you should be in a relationship if your partner is in love with someone else. It is terrible. There is enough pressure by society to be a certain way and behave as certain way, especially for women. I feel like I am fortunate to live in the 21st century where science helps women in a big way to not feel those pressures. I would rather spend my life with the right person than feel pressured and make a mistake. Yes, the zeros on the paycheck do matter because I work very hard for them and I wasn't born with a silver spoon, though my parents always gave me one. I always worked very hard to be where I am, and I think each one of us deserves to be compensated for it. There's only one you understand who you are, your uniqueness. The universe throws you a set of challenges. You either overcome your fears and takes it on, or you back off and live with the regret that you did not even try. The choice always is yours. The universe gives you the option. Take the plunge. I know I am flawed, but perfect is boring anyway. Flawed is good. When someone asks me about my diet, I feel terrible saying that I don't really have one. I don't want to have a level. I want to have a legacy. I want to be known as someone who has goals and achieves them. As a girl, I am this stupid, emotional, very loyal, sort of believe in values and principles sort of girl. Don't try to squeeze into a glass slipper. Instead, shatter the glass ceiling. I don't believe in being a size 0. I don't believe in starving. Women should totally embrace their curves. My family is my greatest strength and my biggest weakness. Be true to who you are. Be courageous. Be selfless. Be love. Courage comes from knowing your truth and standing up for it. Let me make my decisions without shaming me or trolling me. give me those opportunities that men have enjoyed for such a long time. It's okay to not know what you want, as long you know what you don't want. Heartache is a beachman. You start with the little things. I need sleep. I need a good book. I need to be with friends. You have to start thinking about yourself. There is my good way to end a relationship.